Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. In my case it was 26 minutes, and here we've got the list of most used apps. We can tap on this graph and thanks to it we will be transferred to a dashboard where we can check the specific time we've spent on the screen in particular days, so we can compare them. What is more, we can check the number of notifications and unlocks in particular days. So here you can compare the data. What is more, if you decide that you spend too much time on particular apps, you can set some kind of screen time goals, or you can set app timers for specific apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.